Today is a big surprise. I don't have even idea what is there. This is the box, American Girl, some food. I never opened this one, so it's very brand new. Let's see what is inside. Oh no, we need scissors. We need the scissors cut all this items.
Here you go.
Oh, finally somebody get a new pot. Even I don't have a new pot, but those will get it. Lucky them. So we have a pot.
New pot.
Very new pot, very high quality pot from American Girl. We have utensil to cook something. Let's see what there is. Wow, it's a lot of stuff here. And instruction, no, what is this? Some fun. Okay, this is real metal, so be careful. This is really heavy. Wow, it's like real. So beautiful and shiny. The plates. Have 2 plates, plastic. So we have some food we will open later. And this is garbage. Some food. Oh, and beautiful metal forks. Oh, it's so exciting. Metal forks for doll. It's unbelievable. The quality just amazing. Wow. Okay. So let's see what else we have. 2 little, I don't know how to call it, glasses, a plastic with a cocktail, I guess. Lemonade, thank you. Oh, a piece of cake. Oh my god, all evening today I was dreaming about piece of cake. I don't know what is this. It's cheese, piece of cheese. So what is this?
Cheese.
I don't know. Okay. I guess this is napkins. Sorry, my English. Oh my god, look at the cuteness. Let's do some serving. Okay. Please tell me what is this, because I don't understand this. Let's open the food. But this is strange, like we have 2 plates, 2 forks, 2 cups, 2 glasses, and 3 spaghetti with the meatballs. Yummy. What we gonna do with one more? The one girl supposed to eat without plate. Okay, it's some other food. Oh, maybe it's like this. Like, hey guys, I'm cooking spaghetti. Like, who'd like to have some spaghetti? Because, yeah, I'm serving spaghetti. And one stays here. I guess the girl number 3 must eat from the actual, from the pot. Okay, so also we have here other food. It's some vegetables and bread. It's beautiful. I love everything. It's just piece of art what they do with this. This is bread. Look at this one. And look at this one. So, oh yeah, so I guess this is for the cheese. Like, oh, look at the sound. Can you hear it? Oh my god, we have fun. Okay, yeah, sorry, I'm very excited about this. This is so beautiful. This is actual brochure, shows how to serve the table and some conversation. Anyway, was very fun opening. And I will show you next time how we did serving this for our dolls in our kitchen. So see you next time.